Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I've got some ideas and I want to go swiping down that way, so I'm going to give myself an opportunity to add stripes of paint. That's the African Violet. Which will be gorgeous no matter what. This is the pink carnation, which I'm having trouble with the cap, so I better be careful, very careful. Alright. This is definitely one of those moments where I'm remembering all the times that I did a pre-painting and it looked good enough to keep. I'm not sure what's going to happen. But I am thinking about doing a keyhole swipe down through some colors. And I'm not sure what else. I've got some deep amethyst, which needs to be joined by something lighter. Or more turquoise. I'm basically just giving myself permission to trust myself at this point. And if I cross over some colors, so be it. When I get to the end, I am letting it drip down over. Do I dare? No, not yet. I've got this golden poppy. It's so compelling. I am going to go for weirdness. I'm going to go for black iris. Which may require me opening the bottle top more. Wow, come on out. I do, and you should expect some orange. Can't see through my own hand though. I want some gold, but I might be doing gold and silver. And I kind of think the silver is good. The silver might be really good with some peacock. I'm going to start to cross over. I need something to bring my va-va-va-voom quotient back up. Maybe that is, and often can be, cerulean blue, frozen, or even, no even about it, blue velvet. This is cerulean blue, and it's fantastic. Still thinking about the blue velvet. I think I'm just going to keep striping until I'm happy. Now I've got the frozen. I definitely still want a lighter purple. And I'm definitely thinking about the gold. I'm just not sure which is going to come first, the gold or the... Maybe the hot orchid? I still have hot orchid left. I'm shameless about using it too. I can't help it. I love it. Let's make sure that's what that is. Oh, there it is. And it won't dendrite. because there's no wet background. It's at least once primed, if not twice primed. Primed with mead and black paint. You can find on my Amazon link, and I recommend it. Now I'm beginning to think that I want some yellow, which would be Tuscan Sun at this point. Do I dare? Ha! I dare a lot of things. Yeah, the yellow's what I needed. Maybe twice. I seem to be adding a double dose of everything. It may come down to me deciding to add 3, but I'm liking what I've got so far. And now, is it the Orange Crush? More likely the Orange Crush. I'm thinking yes. I have another lighter version. Kind of like the lighter one too. The lighter version is Sour Lemon with a little bit of Orange Crush in it. But it didn't keep me from wanting. I think I'm going for my combination of Orange Crush and Big Apple. Still haven't done the gold yet. I have Mayan gold. There we go. I'm not sure what's going to happen. I really don't know if I absolutely want to swipe through this. I could just leave them. I could do a dry background like this and then come back the next day and swipe through. I want some white, which is probably going to be Chantilly lace. Definitely ready for some Chantilly lace. I could also go with the French silk. I like the white in there. Do I want it 3 times? I might. You can't go wrong with Prizm pours. You just can't. I said I wanted some lighter purple, and that's going to want to be in Twilight Orchid or the Pink Diamond, which is not purple, but I like the Blackberry. I want something to dry a little lighter. I could mix something custom. I used some hot orchid with a few drops of purple. Let's see how this looks. This is Twilight Orchid. Yeah, I like that. I think I might need it twice. Okay, I don't know if it's a stage 1 or done. I'm going to put a little bit of Orange Crush. right here. I'm liking all of that. Did I never do? I never did the blue velvet. And it might be one thing too many, but I'm going to do it anyway. I do it right next to that yellow. And near that cerulean blue. It's really tempting to swipe, but it's also tempting to leave it right like it is for right now. I'm pretty happy with that. And if I want to try swipe over the top of something, this would be the perfect thing to do. I'm sort of wiping my hand along under the end, picking up my pretty drips, which will be on my Lullaby silicone mat. Love you guys. There's over 2,400 videos on Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell, so please feel free to visit my channel. Look at my playlists, all playlists, created playlists to find them, or ask me in comments and I'll help you with a link. I think this is pretty simple, but I'm going to rely on the fact that the Prizm pours are awesome. I could probably go back and fill in with dots. I could do a whole bunch of stuff. I could maybe swipe over after it's dry with new colors. I could maybe dot a few things. Really tempted to do that right now, to tell you the truth. I need the perfect tool right there. I've been dotting a lot lately. I am cleaning it off in between. I'm not sure why I'm doing that. I really don't mind it when they're mixed colors. But as long as there's ribbons of paint that are heavy enough to dot out of without damaging any stripes, I see no reason why not to try it. I kind of like it within a little. And I could probably spend a long time doing it. So I should tell you whatever I tell you, and whenever I'm done with telling you that, I should probably let you go. Not that that has been working. My attempt to let you go has been remiss, to say the least. Now, there's nothing to keep me from still doing any of the things that I talked about after this is dry, should I want to. But I like the idea of giving myself permission to find out. I usually do this with a scoop. I mean the lines, instead of dribbling the beautiful lines, which are beautiful, I want to take some of the orange crush and just not have to dip out of something. Out of a line, I meant. And that'll leave me some more. So I'm just playing along. And I'm going to pick some more colors, maybe combine them. I'm going to have to look for the bubbles. I see there are some. I like this. I know it's going to be beautiful. I should probably try and shimmer some of the colors at you now before it gets too involved. Kind of want some yellow. Up where the yellow is. Maybe I'd be better off with something that's already a little bit altered. Okay, I've got 3 minutes to tell you guys I do sell my artwork. And should you be interested in inquiring, please use an email address, easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. Unless of course you're on my new channel, which is Fluid Art Obsession Syllabi, in which case that email address is fluidartobsession@gmail.com. Oh, that one was a dangerous one. I think I need something to equal that out. Or a lot more of that color spread around. So any shopping you do on my Amazon link or any of the other links that I provide is of great assistance to me. At least essentially, eventually. I want more colors. I need a little dish. What did I do with my little dish? Thank you guys for all the donations that helped keep me painting in the past. Not many donations lately, but I appreciate those of you who are still helping me out. Thank you so much for continuing to keep me producing videos and tutorials for you. I'm going to give myself some more of the frozen. I'm having to pick rows or gaps that are big enough so I don't run into the side stripes. There, I'm pretty happy with that, but I doubt whether I'm going to stop. I had been really thinking I wanted some purple, which I have plenty of. African violet. I did when it was open anyway. I got it. I love the African violet. It was my first favorite after the hot orchid and the pink diamond. And the frozen. Right. I like the frozen and the African violet together, actually. I wonder if there's a point in time when I should stop. Probably not yet. So I have a link tree, and on it is a Legallerist, clothing made in Montreal, investment quality priced. So get ready for some gorgeous stuff. Check it out. You never know. I am having a good time. I hope you guys are still here. I should get down and shimmer you. I've got colors I'm bound to fill in. It's been that way a couple days. Hopefully I can show you something that's pretty. It's definitely fun. Look at that. I know, it's all about the party for me. I love it. I love the colors, the shimmering colors. Thank you guys for the kind words and comments that keep my morale boosted. I will be looking for bubbles to pop wherever I might find them. I will use my skewer or whatever's handy to do so. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Oh, I just found something that needs to come out. Darn. I don't like it when that happens, really. So, what can I tell you?